I know how annoying it is when your windshield washer just gives up. Don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through the easy fix for your Chevy Colorado. You'll be back on the road with a clean view in no time. First, check your washer fluid reservoir. Is it empty? If so, just top it off with the right washer fluid. Still not working? Pop the hood and listen for a small motor sound when you press the washer button. No sound? Your washer pump might need replacing. If you do hear the motor but fluid isn't spraying, look for leaks under your truck or along the hoses. Sometimes they pop off or crack. Reattach or replace any damaged hoses. Next, check the spray nozzles. These can get clogged with dirt. Gently clean them with a pin or needle. If your wipers aren't moving, check the fuse box for a blown fuse. Your owner's manual will show you which one to look for. Swap in a new fuse if needed. Easy. So, to recap, check the fluid, listen for the pump, inspect hoses and nozzles, and check your fuses. Most Chevy Colorado washer problems are quick fixes you can handle yourself. Stay safe, drive smart, and keep your windshield crystal clear.